Your NBC 26 Storm Tracker forecast with Chief Meteorologist Chris Still.
And I am just fine with that snow occurring everywhere except here, and that is about the case. They've had snow in the metro Atlanta area. My parents live over in Augusta, Georgia, and they said they were having some snow earlier this afternoon, a light coating on the grass over there in Cobb County. But farther to the north, that's where the heavy snow is going to be. Here in the CSRA, for about 99.5% of us, we're not going to see any snow, just a lot of very heavy and much needed rainfall. Here's your tower cam out there tonight. Right now we are 41 degrees and our wet bulb temperature right now is 40 degrees. And with the rain falling, that's a measure of how cool it can get with the rain evaporating into the air. The short end of that is it's not going to cool off a whole lot out there this evening. Currently 41 in Augusta. We are 39 in Evans, 37 in Aiken, but temperatures are going to hold steady rather than falling quickly. So even in the northern areas who may see a little bit of snow late tonight, I think our temperatures are going to stay a little bit above freezing. Here's a look at our storm system. We've got an area of low pressure coming in, a warm front coming up from the south, and we got some reports of sleet earlier today. But as that warmer air comes in, the layer of warm air or above freezing air is going to thicken up, and that causes all of the sleet to melt and turn to rain. So any sleet left out there will rapidly turn to rain out there for this evening. Let's take a look at the storm system hour by hour on our forecast tracker. 7 o'clock tonight, widespread shield of rain. The blue across North Georgia and the upstate of South Carolina is where we're having that heavy snow. Here's the CSRA here. The line between the heavy snow and the heavy rain is very, very thin, so it's entirely possible some of our northern counties could get a little bit of snow tonight, but by 1 o'clock in the morning, most of the heavy precipitation is out of the area. It's just a widespread shield of light rain, maybe some mist for the overnight hours. By 4 o'clock in the morning, all the measurable precipitation is gone, but there is going to be some colder air coming in aloft overnight. Could even be a few snow flurries, even in much of the CSRA as the storm system is leaving, but it's going to be very light. We're talking flurries, not measurable snow, and the clouds are going to hang around throughout your Thursday. Here's a look at our forecast tracker. Where you see the green here, we're going to get an inch or more of rain, and this is very good news. This computer model predicting between an inch and an inch and a half in the Augusta area. Lighter amounts across North Georgia simply because they are getting snow rather than rain. In fact, here's the snow forecast from our forecast tracker, and about 2.5 inches of rain according to the computer model for Athens. It could be 6, maybe 8 inches of snow in parts of the upstate of South Carolina. As we zoom in on the CSRA, there's northern Wilkes County, northern McCormick County, over into northern Saluda County. Nothing predicted for Saluda, but in extreme northern Saluda County, some of that accumulating snow is possible. If you're watching me tonight and you get any snow, a dusting, maybe an inch in the extreme northern parts of those counties, and that's going to be about it. Even where we do get the snow, I think we're going to stay above freezing. Low tonight, 33 in McCormick, 35 for Augusta, 43, really not all that cold in Sylvania. For you Thursday, no rain, but a lot of cloud cover. High temperature near 50 in Waynesboro. Here is your 7-day forecast. We may get a glimpse of sun on Friday with highs in the mid-50s, but the clouds and the cold come right back for the weekend. 30% chance of rain Sunday with highs in the mid-40s.
All right, I am slightly jealous of the snow. I mean, I don't want the ice, just the pretty snow.
If you live up there in McCormick County, it's going to be within 20 miles of you.
I know, it's so close yet so far away. All right, thanks, Chris.